Good evening, friends. Welcome back to our channel. I am Raju Upadhyay from CIMAGE College, Patna, Department of IT. So today we are going to talk about the concept of pivot chart. That means in the previous video we have talked how to create a pivot report and how to format the pivot report. Now, after formatting the pivot report, we have to convert the same pivot report for the better understanding into a pivot chart. So let us discuss how to do it practically. So I'm going to take you to a practical terminal. So I'm going to switch over to my screen. So if you can recall, in the last video, we talked about how to create a pivot table report. So we have created a pivot table report like this. So it has a complete detailed pivot table report. If you wanted to take all these report data into a chart, so you can go for the pivot chart option. That means whatever data you have on your pivot table report, based on the same data, you will be able to create a pivot chart, which is going to be very easier for the top level management to understand the current situation of the company. And based on that, they can take the further decision for the company goal for the coming financial year. So once you are very much clear about your pivot table report, so in order to go for pivot table chart, we have an option uh, from the contextual tab. We are having an option called Analyze and Design. So whenever you go for an Analyze tab, within Analyze tab, we are having a group called Tools. And within a Tools, we are having an option called Pivot Chart. The moment you click on Pivot Chart, it is going to provide us a various kind of charting option available out here. So you can have a various kind of charting option available for chart preview. You can have the stacked column chart. You can have the 100% stacked column chart. We can have a 3D. So 3D is not possible with this. Or you can have the line chart. We can have a bar chart. We can have area chart. We can have a scatter chart. So let's say I'm going for column chart. And within a column chart, we'll be able to see all data. But the thing is, if you have selected entire data, so obviously your chart is going to be very, very compressed. So what we can do is we can apply some sort of filter on this, and based on the filter, we can create a chart, right? So how we can do that? In order to create a filter, we can make use of slicer. So we can insert a slicer out here, and within a slicer, I wanted to have the company name, right? And after selecting the company name, we are getting the slicer for the company name. So let's say I don't want all 5 companies to be listed in our keyword chart. So I can select a few companies only. Let's say as a company, I've selected the global IT, as well as I'm going to select Mac Healthcare company. So based on these 2 companies, my report will be generated out here. So you can notice out here in this particular report, we are getting a report based on global IT as well as Mac Healthcare only. And if you wanted to do a further filter, you can apply another slicer out here. The option would be same. You can select the pivot table report, and then you can go for analyze, and we can go for within a filter group, we are having an insert slicer. So let's say we are going to have only one slicer in this, and after having this, we can draw a pivot chart. So in order to draw the pivot chart, we can go for analyze tab, and within this, we are having a pivot chart. If you select the pivot chart, this pivot chart is going to have detail about only 2 companies, that is called global IT as well as your Mac Healthcare. So once you have selected the type of chart available out here, you can click on OK. Your chart is getting prepared out here. But this chart is a part of your worksheet. If you want to remove this particular chart from the worksheet and you wanted to put it in some separate worksheet, so what you can do is you can select the chart available out here. After clicking on this, you can go for design and you can select an option called move chart. So you can select the move chart option. Automatically, it is going to ask whether you want to put your chart into a new worksheet. You can click on new worksheet, and there we can give a name to that new worksheet where the chart is going to be available. So we can have out here the chart name is like pivot chart for global IT, as well as for Mac healthcare. Now, the moment you click on OK, so you're getting out here the tab name, which is having a name which we have provided to them. Now, you can further filter from here. If you select it, the option, the another filter is going to come. So you can apply a filter. And as we know how to format the chart, you can, like that, you can format a chart out here. So you can apply any kind of option out here just by going through your design. And within the design, we are having the add chart element. If you wanted to add some sort of data label, or you can have a data label, you can select the data label like outside end. So actual data is presented out here. If you wanted to have a data level for all, you can select the common chart and we can go for add data level and outside end. So all data are available out here. So in this way, you can format your chart as per your requirement. So that's all for the day. So thanks for watching this particular video, and I hope you must have understood how to create a pivot chart if you have the pivot table report available in your hand. And in between, we have talked about the slicer as well. Thanks for watching this particular video, and happy year end. And we'll be having a new video in the next year, that is 2023. So happy watching and learning this channel video. Thank you very much.